Azimio, and there was Kenya Kwanza. Some people decided to sign agreement with the Kenya Kwanza. Some decided to sign agreements with Azimio. Please, let's respect that position. Then elections were held, results came out. Mr. Speaker, I know some members of parliament, when we had the first meeting of Azimio in KICC, we had Kinamutuse with us. It is only after realizing that the presidency is going segemunege, that is how they shifted to the other side. But the fact that their numbers belonged to Azimio has not changed. Now, basic people here are trying to argue that you can change any other time. No, at the time of election, Azimio was the majority. Give us that position. Honorable Junet Mohammed is our majority leader. Honorable Milio Diambo is our majority whip. If you feel numbers have changed, bring that here on the table, we discuss it. That is a different thing. But as at election, Honorable Speaker, Azimio Party is the majority party of this House. Let the Speaker rule. If you feel you have numbers, bring it on. We deal with you. In fact, Osoro, you should be very ashamed. I thought you are a lawyer. Your arguments are below and below and below as a basic nursery school class. So you cannot tell us that. We are the majority. Mr. Speaker, what I've said about the Speaker's stance, keep the Speaker out of these matters. Because sisi kama Waluya, hiyo ndio kiti tuko nayo peke yake. Msitufanyie mchezo.
Sabina Chege.